The queue system exists for a reason. Well, life doesn't crash, crash if I respond later. So on a faith angle, even Jesus hits airplane mode sometimes. Jesus stepped away from the crowd to recharge with the Father. Not because he didn't care, but because mission critical work needs a direct, stable connection. No interference, di ba? Stable. No interference. You have this direct communication, connection. Well, if your mental server goes down, who's going to maintain the system? We can't serve people well if our connection is unstable. So to close, remember, to manage your crowd traffic, filter the noise, make space for the signal.